Single man, reveal yourself.
What's going on, girls? My name is Luke, and I am from Liverpool.
Luke from Liverpool. Girls, are you turned on or turned off? Wow, what a start, Luke. Only one girl turned off, Ginny, and I'm not being funny, she's dressed exactly the same as you.
Pretty much.
OK, here we go. I want you to write me down your love at first light, Luke.
Oh, this is hard, man.
Okay. Oh, that got it. All right, you relax for a second now, Luke. Let me go and have a... Ginny, we're twinnies here. What's going on?
Sorry.
You turn on?
Let's not lie, I'm not exactly the most petite girl. You've got to be very slight to move about like that, and I feel like I would just feel a bit sort of, you know...
No, we could have vibed together.
Anna, safe to say you were excited there when he come out, so you were like...
I wouldn't mind you popping over me.
Jade, what about you?
Oh, he's from Liverpool, he's only down the road from
Oi,
me, so...
Scouser.
No, we're from Manchester.
My bad, sorry, Jade.
Oh.
Hey,
Let's go this way. Courtney, why's your light shining?
I loved it, like coming out doing all the...
Jeez.
Caught my eye there, Luke.
Thank you very much, Courtney.
Yeah, you get on that dance floor and you dance, boy. I tell you what, one girl turned laugh. It's fantastic. It's loads of confidence as well.
Yeah,
Let's keep this going. It seems the ladies like the look of Luke. But will our Liverpool lad beg for Mersey? Shut it! When we reveal more about him in round 2. Girls, no likey, no Lukey.
I'm a cheeky lad looking for the perfect girl with a big smile and a twinkle in her eye. Girls, my job might come as a bit of a surprise to you. I'm a model. I can't look past the mirror without making sure I'm on point. Jeez. Girls, I'd say I've probably read about 2 books my whole life, but I love Harry Potter. Abracadabra. I even know all the spells. Wingardium Leviosa. But there is one thing I'm still yet to master, and that's the love potion. I never struggle with confidence when it comes to approaching women. I've got a whole bag full of animal impressions. I can do a cow, a dog, a goose. I can't do it now.
Why isn't it working?
Yeah, we have to go. Wait, where are you going? So come on, ladies, come on a date with me, because if not, you're gonna feel really bad.
17 girls to the lights off. I'm going to go out and find out. Firstly, Hannah, the old animal impressions.
Nay.
Hey.
Oh.
What done?
Oh. Nina, why did you turn on?
I mean, you're very good looking, but the vein and, like, looking in the mirror and everything like that. Right. I wear a lot of trousers because I'm quite lazy and I barely even shave my legs, really. Unless I'm wearing a dress. I thought being shaved up.
Yeah, boy. Hey, man, you kept your light on.
I love Harry Potter.
Oh, there's
What's
a
your
first.
favourite one?
Probably Prisoner of Azkaban's probably
Really?
one of the,
I'm more of a Chamber of Secrets kind of girl. But I was gonna ask, have you got nice feet?
Am I dreaming this?
It's an important question, Paddy.
Giggles.